going to learn. Today we are going to learn the trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities. Okay. Is it visible to you?
यस
सर
सर
ब्लर ब्लर हो रहा है
Clear हो रहा है?
दिख रहा है सर दिख रहा है
Means okay. So what is mean by identity? Samrat, can you say? What is mean by identity? आइडेंटिटी बोले तो क्या है? किसी को पता? Anyone? Yes, if it is right or wrong. Pallab. Anyone?
Sir, a true equation.
Yes, right or wrong, you tell. Whatever it may be. If you take that an equation is true for any value of the variable. Suppose if you are taking into consider, if I take that x square plus 2x plus 3 is equals to 0. This is not true for any value of x. So it is equation. Suppose if I take that a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. You take the a and b values. A and b values. Any numbers you take, any real number you take, then it is true. If you take any real number, it is true. A, B values. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So that's why this is called an identity. So such type of the identities in the trigonometry also we are going to have. The main identities are, the first one is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. What is theta, sir, here?
the measure of the angle
Yes, angle. So this can be proved in easiest way here. You take an angle, triangle ABC. Triangle ABC you take into consider. In this angle C I am considering angle theta. Okay. So angle C I have considered. So what is sin theta? You will get sin square theta here. Sin square theta, what do you get here? Let us consider sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to. Sin square theta क्या है? Sin theta क्या है? Opposite by hypotenuse. So AB by AC whole square plus cos theta क्या है? From the triangle BC by AC whole square. So this can be written as AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square, which is equals to. On simplification in the numerator, you will get AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square by the Pythagoras theorem. This is a right angle triangle. It is a right angle triangle we have taken into consider. So AB square plus BC square by the Pythagoras theorem, you will get AC square. So AC square by AC square, which is equals to 1. Okay, so sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Here, how you got here? This is equals to AC square. So by Pythagoras theorem, you can say that AC square is equals to hypotenuse square is equals to C. Now see Pythagoras theorem, if you are not able to apply, this is difficulty. So one is interlinked to other. That's why you need to attend every class. Mathematics is not like other subjects. You have to attend the class compulsorily. You need to learn it. So AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square you got. So how do you got here? By the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem don't know means ये नहीं कर सकते. Now here if you take this one, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Is it true for all the values of theta? Theta value कुछ भी ले लियो ये true होता है. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Will it be true for all the values of theta? Now we are learning acute angles. It is true for even 0 degrees and 90 degrees also. So here you can write that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, 0 less than or equals to theta less than or equals to 90 degrees. 0 degrees. You can take the 0 degrees also. You see here, you take the 0 degrees, theta is equal to 0. Here we have proved it is not 0 degrees को prove नहीं किया. Acute angle we have taken. Theta is acute angle in the figure. Theta is an acute angle, isn't it? So it is acute angle is taken. For 0 degrees also it is true. If you want you can check it. 0 sin 0 क्या है? 0. What is the value of sin 0, Rahul? What's the value of sin 0? Maudipa?
Sir, 0.
0. Cos 0? Cos 0 value? Cos 0 value? Mansi? Cos 0 value? Oh, anyone? Okay, yours.
1. Sir, 1. 1.
0 value 0 है 0 square. Cos 0 value 1 है 1 square. So 0 square plus 1 square is equals to 1. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. From this sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, you are going to get still 2 more identities. That means a little bit change you are going to have here. So sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now here this can be written as sin square theta is equal to cos square theta उधर लेके जाओ. So if you want to write sin square theta as a in the form of cos square theta, then you can write sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. In the same way, cos square theta if you want to write, sin square theta right side लेके जाओ. So 1 minus sin square theta. So these three are there. So along with that, still main two more identities are. These two will be born from here only. Okay. So now here secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. And whenever you take this one, this is true for what values? If theta is 0 degrees होता है तो it is not defined because tan theta का denominator में cos theta होता है, secant theta का denominator में भी cos theta होता है. Cos theta किधर 0 होता है उधर it is not defined. Cos theta किधर 0 होता है? At what place cos theta 0?
90, sir.
90 पे डिफाइंड नहीं है, बाकी सब में डिफाइंड है. सो 0 लेस देन आर इक्वल्स टू थीटा लेस देन 90 डिग्रीज. सो 90 डिग्रीज में ये डिफाइंड नहीं है. सो 90 डिग्रीज में ये ट्रू नहीं है. एट द प्लेस ऑफ 90 डिग्रीज दिस आइडेंटिटी इज नॉट ट्रू. दिस इज आइडेंटिटी इज ट्रू फॉर ऑल दीज वैल्यूज. इवन इफ यू टेक, आई एम आस्किंग दैट यू डोंट नो द वैल्यू ऑफ द 40 degrees. But if I am asking that secant square 40 minus tan square 40 is equals to क्या है? If I am asking that secant square 40 minus tan square 40 is equals to 1. So that is 1, you can say 40 degrees. So this is the main identity. From this also you can prove like this only. Just you take into consider the Pythagoras theorem, apply the Pythagoras theorem, you will get it. You try to remember this one and simple proof है, इसमें बहुत दिक्कत नहीं है. So secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. So from this secant square theta is equals to क्या आएगा? Yes, tell me.
1 plus tan square theta.
हाँ 1 plus tan square theta है. Tan square theta is equals to क्या आएगा? Okay, I want
One.
wait. Who will tell? Prantik Pal. Prantik, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Square theta is equals to क्या आएगा? From this only. Tan square theta is equals to what? What do you get tan square theta?
Tan square theta. Tan square theta. Sin minus
Huh?
tan by. I don't know, sir.
अरे
Sir,
आपको
भूल गया.
means
Cos
पहले
by sir
नहीं.
cos
हाँ?
sin by cos.
अरे tan is equals to sin by cos.
Yes, sir.
Tan is equal to, I am asking tan square theta from here only. From here
Okay.
equals to क्या है? ये tan square theta को उधर लेके 1 को इधर
One
लेके
one by sin theta.
who is saying? Prantik
Me,
Paul.
sir.
What you are saying, that means you don't know the basic things also in a trigonometry. Okay, Samrat, you say? Samrat. Tan square theta is equals to. What do you get tan square theta? Okay, not audible, I think so. Anyone?
Sir.
One
One
minus
minus
x
square theta.
Sec square theta minus 1.
Say secant square theta minus sec square theta minus 1 है. ये बहुत ज्यादा लोग ये कंफ्यूज हो जाता है. tan square theta को उधर लेके जाओ, 1 को इधर लेके आओ. What is that in that? Very simple. You no need to know anything also. From here I am asking you to say this also you are getting from here only. ये tan square theta को उधर लेके गए. So secant square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Okay? समझ में आया? So third identity is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. So this is true for what values? How do we prove this one? ये कैसे prove कर सकते हैं? Okay, if you want to prove this one, how do you prove it? Cosec square theta. What is cosec theta from here? I'm going to write here proof. Proof here लिखता हूँ मैं इसका proof चाहे. ये second वाला proof you try at home. Cosec square theta. Cosec theta क्या है from here? What is cosec theta, Shalu? What is cosec theta? Shalu, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
What is cosec theta?
Sir, cosec theta is adjacent by opposite means
No. Cosec is adjacent by opposite.
no, sir, sorry.
Whenever.
Hypotenuse by adjacent.
Huh?
Hypotenuse by adjacent.
Hypotenuse by.
Adjacent.
No, adjacent. Cosec is reciprocal of what?
Cosine.
Wait, Samrat. Cosec is a reciprocal of
Sine.
sin. Sin बोले तो
Opposite by hypotenuse.
तो reciprocal बोले तो क्या बोलना है?
Hypotenuse by opposite.
Hypotenuse क्या है?
AC.
Opposite क्या है?
AB.
बस हो गया. AC by AB whole square minus cosec theta. Cot theta. Cot theta Sudipta. cot theta. Sudipta.
Yes, sir.
Cot theta क्या है? Cot theta from this triangle. Can you say? Cot theta is? Yes, anyone else?
BC by AB.
BC by AB whole square. Cot is nothing but adjacent by opposite. Cot is nothing but adjacent by opposite. So adjacent by opposite means here adjacent is to the theta is BC. Opposite is AB. So which is equals to, you are going to get this one as a AC square by AB square minus BC square by AB square. So denominator AB square you will get, here AC square minus BC square you will get. AC square minus BC square is equals to AB square. Pythagoras theorem use कर लिया. So AB square by AB square, so which is equals to 1. AB square by AB square is equals to 1 आ गया. That's all. With the help of this, you are going to learn cosec square theta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta. ये cot square theta इधर गया 1 plus cot square theta, and cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta minus 1. These are the main 9 identities. Means 3 only identities are there, and this is true for what values? This is true for what values? 0 less than or equals to not. Here because this is not defined at the place of 0. 0 degrees पे ये defined नहीं है. Because 0 degrees पे cosec theta is undefined, because 1 by even cot theta is also undefined. So 0 less than theta less than or equals to 90 degrees. This is also important at these places. So I want you people to learn all these trigonometric identities, and tomorrow I am going to conduct a test, oral test to you on all the identities, and this test is mandatory to you. For every student 10 questions will be asked to you, and out of 10 questions how many marks you are getting, I will check it, and today you have to learn it at any cost. Not only identities, trigonometric values of some specific angles. I may ask you till now what you have learned. Otherwise, proceeding to the exercise is really foolish thing. If I am proceeding to the exercise, is really foolish thing that if you are not learning anything. Okay, so learn today itself, and all the trigonometric ratios and as well as trigonometric values of some specific angles and identities. This all you have to learn it. Okay.